is still in bed. Thought it'd be nice to go get some milk and cereal for her to have some breakfast. Well, that didn't really go to plan. Got milk, didn't get any cereal. Got a surprise for Emily though, so she should like that, I hope.
Yeah.
Not good.
Oh.
No cereal, but I got you a treat.
Got me a treat. Oh, teens.
Today we are counting as our first official full day in Singapore. Yesterday we were moving around a lot, going from our older hotel to this hotel here, so didn't get much of a chance to go out and explore it all.
But today, that's going to change. We're going to go to Marina Bay Sands, Gardens by the Bay, Satay by the Bay, and whatever else we find along the way. That rhymed. Bay Bay Way.
Now starts a 40-minute walk to hopefully a nice viewing area of the Marina Bay. Hopefully we pass through a couple of cool places as well.
I've only been walking like 5 minutes and we saw the sign for Haji Lane, so we wanted to come check it out. Haji Lane is so pretty. It's all closed at the moment, but it's colourful. There's all these cute windows up the top and flags flying. It looks like it would be fun when everything's open.
Yeah, cool graffiti on all the walls. Looks really nice and colourful. That street was one of the cool things we thought we might see on the way. I didn't expect it to be that close to where we're staying though.
It'd be really cool to go back at night and see when it's all busy, but I can imagine it gets pretty packed out and it looks pretty expensive as well. Like a happy hour beer was $15.
I didn't even read that.
Yeah.
Jesus, not going back there. I think we should get something to eat. I'm pretty hungry after all that walking.
Yeah,
we're
really hungry.
We're not even there yet. This humidity is killing me. So we walked through the Marina Bay shopping centre just to get a little bit of cool air.
It's so freaking hot today, but we're almost there.
I'm still sweating bullets.
Yeah.
Look at this cool pool.
We've made it to Gardens by the Bay. Starving. We left the hotel at like what, 11 this morning, maybe earlier than that, and we haven't eaten except for like a muesli bar. So we're hanging out till we get to Satay by the Bay, but it's so nice walking through the gardens.
Can just pick the a la carte.
Can we do 10 and then 2 pork belly?
Okay. 11:20.
Satay by the Bay, and we've ordered some satay, which is getting cooked, and some fruit juice. There you go. Red apple.
I got pineapple juice.
So nice and cold and refreshing.
So sweaty. That walk, even though it said 45 minutes or whatever, it felt longer.
All day.
It took us all day.
There's not that many people here either. It's pretty quiet.
It's super dead. How big the actual complex is, like only half the shops are open anyway, but there's nobody here.
Thank you. Yeah?
Chicken is perfectly cooked, and the peanut satay sauce out of this world.
It's like char grilled but still tender on the inside, and the peanut sauce is so savoury and peanutty. That was so good. That was like the tiniest taste of it.
Thank you.
Just finished up at Satay by the Bay. Now we're going to go walk through Gardens by the Bay and make our way home, where we're just going to probably go in the pool and relax for the rest of the night.
Alright, let me just, I'm in video, so let me